To solve simultaneous equations, we need to manipulate the equations until we've got the same number of the second variable, in this case the y, and very often it's a y. Now at the moment I've got 2 y's in one and 3 y's in the other. I need to manipulate them so the y's are the same. So I know I can multiply the top one by 3 and the bottom one by 2, because then I'll have 6 y's, and I'll do that now. So when I multiply the top one by 3, I end up with 18x, because I multiply every part of the equation by 3, add 6y equals 39, and the bottom one, when I double it, I end up with 8x, add 6y equals 24. Now it's remembering the little mantras, that when the signs here are the same, we subtract. So we'll do the whole of the top equation, subtract the whole of the second equation. 18x take away 8x is 10x. Now 6y take 6y gives me nothing. And 39 take away 24 is 15. Just like a normal equation, if we divide both sides by 10, we've worked out that x equals 1.5. Now we'll use this to work out our y value. Now because 1x is 1.5, let's go back to one of our original equations, and it doesn't matter which one. Let's use this one. If we put this value of x into here, we can use it to work out y. So 4 times by 1.5, add 3 y's, needs to equal 12. 4 times 1.5 is 6. 6 add 3 y's equals 12. Take 6 off both sides. 3 y's equals 6. And now divide by 3 on both sides. Y equals 2. I'll just make a note of those steps that I just did. We took 6 and we divided by 3. And we did it on both sides. So my answer is x equals 1.5 and y equals 2. I can always check those answers by just substituting them to the other equation. This one up here, let's check that works. 6x will be 9, 2 y's are 4, and 9 add 4 makes 13. Therefore, I am confident with these answers. Now one for you to try. Pause now before you see the first part of the answer. So I want the y's to be the same, and I know 3 and 5 go into 15, so I'm going to manipulate them so I've got 15 y's in both equations. Now because these signs here are the same, I'm going to subtract. And now solve the equation. And finally I'm going to put this value back into one of my other equations to work out what the y value is. And solve this equation. Write out my answers. And check they work in the other equation. So let's check now. 6x's would give me 12, 6 times 2. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. And 12 add minus 3 makes 9. So I am confident with these answers.